What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to be installing shock extension on the 21 Lowrider S from Bung King. Shock extension from Bung King. Let's get it. What's up, guys? So first thing it looks like we're going to be doing is taking the seat off, and then there's a bracket under the seat that needs to come off before you pull the shock off itself. Another thing is you need to have a lift so you can lift the bike up and take the tension off of the swing arm. So you see me here just taking the shock off. Taking the seat off of the bike, and let's move along. So you have two bolts, that one there, another one here, and then you have two Allen head bolts. And the bike's filthy. That's what I'm looking at right there. I'm like, man, my bike's filthy. I need to wash it. Been riding back and forth to work, and pollen is super crazy in my house right now. Like I said, first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take that bracket off the top here. That way we get some room to loosen up that set screw, and then the bolt itself on the bottom and the bolt on top of the eyelets on the shock itself. So you see me here taking the screws or the bolts out, the small bolts out, so we can get that bracket out of the way. Let's keep going. T27 7/16. Alright, now we gotta loosen up that set screw. That way we can get that T45 bolt out at the bottom eyelet, so we can get that shock out of there. Let's keep going. Real tight. Alright, now we gotta do the bolt up top for the top eyelet, and the shock should be out of there here soon. Almost there. Shock is out. Shock compressed. My man Leo hooked me up. So you got this trailer. Shock extension on there. I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared of this shit. I had to let him do it. So one thing I didn't show y'all, make sure you put Loctite on those. The shock is pretty much in. Gotta put the bracket and everything back on, and then we're all done. Bracket back on, everything mounted up, seat going back on, and that's pretty much it. All right, quick rundown of everything you're gonna need to take this bracket off. 7/16 set screw down there, right there. It's a 1/4 inch Allen key. The bolt itself to take the shock out, down on the eyelet, it's a T45. And then the bolt right here on the top shock is 3/4 3/4. And then this little torque head here and here, they're the same size. That is T27. And that's all you need. And then have a shop to compress this, or if you buy the tool yourself, to compress it.